Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. We are here also to solve another very interesting maths question. Now let's go. The one that I have here, simplify and find the value of x for x squared minus x to the power 3 equals to 12. Now let's solve this and find the value of x. Okay, now let's start. We have solution. Now solution. Now what we need to do, let us rewrite the question again. We have x squared minus x to the power 3 equals to 12. Now the first thing that we need to do is to bring this 12 over here and set the equation to 0. Now we have x squared minus x to the power 3 minus 12 equals to 0. Now let us rearrange the equation. Let's rearrange it. We have now minus x to the power 3 here. This one is coming first now. Then we have our plus x squared minus 12 equals to 0. Now after we do that, now we need to focus our pay attention to this middle term here. Now let's try to break this middle term, breaking it in a way that we can replace it. Whatever that we do to it, like when those two terms are added, they can be, you can get this back. Now what we are going to do here, let's break this down. That is now x plus x squared, that is, let's use this. If we have minus 2x squared plus 3x squared, if you solve this, you are going to have back your plus x squared. Now after doing this, we now bring our this minus x to the power 3. Okay, then we bring our minus 12 equals to 0 here. Now what we need to do is now to group them. Now let's introduce these brackets here. Okay, that is those closed brackets. Now that's what we have. Now to do that, we need to factorize all these two groups. Now here we can factor out x squared and have minus x squared into, that is x minus 2, sorry, x plus 2. Okay, then plus, we can factor out 3 here, that is 3 into x squared minus 4, because after you open this bracket, you are going to have 12. Everything is equal to 0. Now from here we can do something with this bracket here. Let's try to deal with this bracket. Now we have our minus x squared into x plus 2, okay, plus 3 into, now this x squared minus 4, we can set it to be a difference of two squares, and we can rewrite it as x minus 2, okay, into x plus 2. Okay, now everything is equals to 0. Now after doing that, now we are going to pay attention on factorizing out. We still need to factor out here. We have plus 2x here, we have x plus 2 here, we have x plus 2 here. So what we are going to do, this what we are going to factor out. Now we have our factor out with the negative sign. We are going to have minus x plus 2, okay, into, if you remove x plus 3, you are left with what, x squared minus, if you remove x plus 2 here, you are left with 3 into x minus 2, 3 into x minus 2. Now everything is equals to 0. Now after doing that, then we are going to pay attention to this part here. We open this, that bracket. Now we have minus into x plus 2 into x squared minus 3 times x, that is 3x minus 3 times minus 2, that is plus 6. Then everything is equals to 0. Now here let's try to set the equation to 0 by taking everything here. We are going to have, get rid of this negative here, that is going to give us now x plus 2, okay, into x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now this is what we have. We know that the whole of this bracket is equals to 0, and the whole of this bracket also is equal to 0. Now there are two things that we need to do here. That is, we take the first one, that is x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to, if we collect like terms, we are going to have our x is equals to 0 minus 2, and that x is equals to minus 2. Okay, and the other one we have x square minus 3x plus 6 is also equal to 0. Now but if you look at this one properly, this is going to give you a complex number, like the complex answers. This is going to give you complex answers, and that's not what we want. What we want is a whole number as an answer. Therefore x is equals to minus 2. And to prove this, if you put this minus 2 in here, okay, if you put this minus 2 in here, that is going to give us this 12. Now anywhere you see x, you replace it with minus 2. Now that is going to be minus 2 square minus into minus 2 to the power 3 is equals to, this is going to give you 4 minus into, this is going to give you minus 8. Okay, now this is going to be 4 plus 8, and it's equals to 12. That is our answer. So x being equals to minus 2, that is going to be the actual answer that we need. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and follow.